I have with me Mr. Anshuman Magazine. He is the Chairman and Managing Director for CBRE South Asia Private Limited. Mr. Anshuman, can you please take us through the broad objective of this conclave, please?
Yeah, see, broad objective is really to look at capital funding coming into real estate. I think one of the biggest challenge the industry faces right now is lack of money, lack of funds, and lack of funds at the right cost. And so this conference is going to talk about, A, what is happening currently, B, what are the solutions to bring in funding, what are the new instruments, and also what are the trends. We are seeing new trends coming in investments in real estate. So that's all will be discussed this day.
Sure. And sir, the recently announced three-pronged approach or the three development initiatives by the Prime Minister, which is Smart Cities, Amrut, and Housing for All. I mean, the industry has kind of welcomed them with has welcomed the initiative. So what do you have to say about that? How is it going to impact the real estate market?
See, if all this happens, it'll really make a huge difference. They're all connected. So if you look at 100 smart cities, or if you look at Housing for All, those housing will be in those smart cities. It'll bring in huge amount of funding. It's a big task. It will take time. This is anywhere from 5 years to 30-year project at least. It will make a huge difference to real estate industry in the sense that there will be supply for housing, offices. There will be a huge amount of activity which will happen in the real estate industry if all these programs are implemented and the funding goes in there, construction starts happening. Real estate will see activity because of these programs for next 20 years.
Sir, what about the long pending demands of the industry, of the sector? One, the sector has been waiting to to be declared as an industry. That's one. Two, I mean, the rate of borrowing has to come down for to facilitate the developers. And besides that, the ever increasing rate of the building materials, which is basically a pain point for the developers. So, I mean, what are your comments on these long pending demands?
Whatever little I know from the government side, all these demands are being considered. There's been a lot of deliberations, discussions. I feel right now, first of all, one area you asked for, infrastructure status for the industry. This has been asked for a long time. Reason being that if in the industry, real estate industry gets infrastructure status, they'll get hopefully cheaper funding and viability gap funding, etc. And I think that will happen. It seems the government wants to bring in the regulator first, wants to regulate this industry before they would before they'll consider giving a infrastructure status. The way discussions are happening, the way deliberations are happening, I'm quite hopeful a lot of these demands will be met in the near future.
Thank you, sir. This is Dheeraj Ahuja from Expo TV for BoldReality.com.